Alright, so what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, TeacherKevinPH, and we are back with another video.
Hi there everyone, well it's me, Teacher Kevin, and this time all you need to do then is to sit back, relax, listen, watch, and learn. The first thing that I want you to take away from today is this: you will have good days and you will also have bad days. But you will always learn something more, something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. You will learn more about yourself, you will learn more about life, love, leadership from different principles, and you will build your character. Well, my dear students, in this world, you must learn to accept life so that the world will accept you.
Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to see or check your old stories in Facebook, alright? Some of us are having a hard time in looking at their old stories. They often say, or some of us say, it is already being deleted after 24 hours. No, actually 24 hours is the allotted time in terms of viewing, all right, for your friends or for the public to view your story. But that doesn't mean it's already deleted. No, it's just being placed on your story archive. Okay, and we can check on those old stories of yours using Google Chrome. Alright, so let's take a look at this. We cannot see this one using the app in our Facebook. Alright, so this one, or in this video, I'm going to use Google Chrome. You may also use your Android phone in looking for your old stories in Facebook. They are just on your story archive. Alright, so first let's log into Facebook. Let's proceed to www.facebook.com. There you go. I've already logged in mine. I never logged out my Facebook account because there are some instances that I might forget my password. Okay, so as you can see, we are now in Facebook, our home. Alright, the next thing that we will do here is of course to proceed to our profile. There you go. Click on this one. Click, and we will be redirected to our profile. So here it is. This is our Facebook profile, and we can see here, my dear friends, post, about, friends, photos, and there you go, the story archive. If you're going to click on this one, you can see your old stories. Alright, you can check your old stories. There you go. So these are all my old stories in Facebook. Alright, and as you can see there, this is my old story. It's being posted. We can also actually see the date as well. Alright, April 30. That's it. So we can actually see our old stories, my day, in Facebook using Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've learned something, and see you next time.